You have to go back up it now. Let's go.
This is a 5, Jed. You had a 2. Brandon had a 3. Oh. Hey.
All right, Joseph, you should jump and then go down.
Yo, come on. Is there any cars coming? No.
No.
If they did, I would run in front.
Go.
I wouldn't let anybody die here.
Oh, please, like you're gonna protect us.
No, they're come on, jump it. You did exactly.
Hey, guys. I hear a car. Hurry.
Here's a car. That's up to you.
Well, where'd Joseph go?
Did you see him? Like.
That's Belle, Melissa, and Richie. Yeah, I know. They're coming back down. I don't know if I can get up there with the camera.
Joe's butt crack.
Yeah, Jed, your ass is hanging out. Oh. All right, that's Brendan. He was the second jumper. All right, he's gonna go again now. All right, that's Jed. He won first last time.
That's a 1.
Look, he runs stupidly. No, jump, kid, jump. You may not know me, but you will fear me. Oh, car! That's a track. Joseph, come on.
Wait, no. Just because I'm an idiot, I'm gonna go again. Hey, are you gonna go again? No. We are.